On this episode of Single Mod Survival, we're going to build the coke oven and some of the tools that we need to get through this game. Gals, Malcolm 1974 back at you with season 2 of our single mod survival, where I take a single mod, in this case immersive engineering, and I use it for the majority of my let's play. So episode number 2, we actually haven't even got into pretty much anything of immersive engineering. So one of the things that we know we need to do, if we look at immersive engineering, we know we need to make a book. So if you look, immersive engineering is only a couple pages long, but it is quite an expansive mod, to say the least. But let's get the book, because the book is what's going to help us get started. So the book is called the Engineer's Manual, and all it takes is a book and a lever. So I do believe I have everything. Oh, by the way, I did find everything, if you guys were wondering. Before we get into the book about Pam's Harvest Quest, let's go look at that now. We'll go like this. So in Pam's Harvest Quest, you no longer get everything from grass or anything like that. You have what's called gardens, and they grow in different areas and all that stuff. So you got berry garden, we saw that. You got the desert garden. The grass garden is where you get the rye and your wheat and stuff like that from. The gourd garden, we've seen that 1,000 times. Ground, herb. So you find these all around the area, all around different biomes. Like I found this in a like a plains biome, and that's where I started. If we look over here, growing some rye crops. So we got that going, and now it's raining. It always rains. Okay, so with the rain, that never works well with recording. So let me go like this and turn off the rain. That way we don't have to worry about recipe mode. There we go, no more rain. So this guy wants to say hello to us. Oh, more zombie brains. What the hell do you need those for? Alright, so is there another one? Okay. Now, where was that book? Well, I had it all set up. I believe I need, let's just grab these, and I got my paper. And let's, the funny thing is, I forgot how to make a book. Don't ask me why, but I did. 3. Aha! Let's make 2 just in case we need it. 2. Now we need a lever, which would just be one of these and one of those. Like this, like this, like that. And there's our engineering manual. Now if you open this up, it's going to give us, let me eat some food here. Open this up, overview in resources, power, wires and generators, tools and machinery, immersive integration is, actually that's pretty cool that they added that into that. So overview and resources, introduction. Greeting fellow engineer, welcome to Immersive Engineering. This journal shall serve as a guide for setting up all new machines and functions this mod has to offer. Let's start with the basics first. Immersive Engineering is built around the concepts of retro-futuristic generation and transfer of energy. The energy used in this mod is redstone flux, a trait shared with many other mods currently available. Energy is transmitted between connectors by the use of wires. Wires can only bridge a limited distance of blocks, so you will need to use more connectors as relays between the wires. You have the choice between 3 different types of wire, which differ in transfer rates. 256, 1024, 496. Yes, I do know a little bit about these. To switch between different types of wire, you'll need to use transformers. So there we go. Introduction, getting into engineering. The engineering's hammer is the most important tool at your disposal. It will be used to form multi-blocks like the coke oven and blast furnace, crushing ores into dust, or configuring blocks like wooden post. Okay. So I guess that's it for that. So engineering's hammer. Let's just get that done. How's that? So I did go mining, so you guys can see that. I only have one string though, but I do have, where are you all? A bunch of cotton. And what I should actually do is make a bunch of cotton and grab my other cottons just like that. We'll go over here. I wonder if cotton has to grow in the ground, or can we go just like this? That way we have a nice supply of string. Alright, so we'll go just like that. Put that back up there like that. Alright, so did I just do what I just thought I did? Dang it! I did, didn't I? How much string did that book need? Oh, we only needed one. Okay, so I do have one. Alright, let's see. Z that up. And we need 2 sticks. Do we have 2 sticks? I have 1 stick, but we can make 2 more. We can do that, like that, and that. That I believe it goes like this. Yeah, engineering's hammer, baby. So there you go. We got our first thing. I was curious about what it said about something though, so I do want to try something out. Guess not. Okay. I was just testing to see if that did something. It does. It makes 2. That doubles your ores for you right there. I wish I would have known that before I did the iron stuff. So if that's lead grit. So there you go. Wow. Alright. Will it do rose gold though? That's something different. That's part of this. No, so it won't do rose gold. Rose gold. And that's fine. I think that's all I have. I do have a bunch of lead, so let's just kind of do this. That just like freely doubles. I see what it does. See, it's kind of being annoying with it, but that's all right. There we go. So there you go. The engineer's hammer. That's how you can early adapt to do that. Let me see. What's that? There we go. We'll put this away. We do have the cube. That's like good knowledge to know. See, we all learned something in this episode. So let's look at some more of the engineering's manual. So we don't need to worry about any more of that. We'll just go into here. So ores. Diggy hole. Copper ore is found in the world between layer 40 and 72 and requires a stone pickaxe to harvest. The ore will smelt. So that's just telling us where all the ores are. Bauxite ore is found in the world between layers 40 and 85. Requires a stone pickaxe to harvest. Alright. Lead ore, we have that. Silver ore is found between layers 8 and 40 and requires an iron pickaxe. Okay. Nickel, I haven't found nickel yet, is between layers 8 and 24. And that's it. It's only showing us, must be the only its ores are showing. Alright, ore processing. So obviously crafting ores and ingots within the hammer allows you to crush them into dust. This dust can be smelted into ingots, but even more importantly, it's used to create alloys. Crushing ores with the hammer will yield 2 dust, effectively doubling your gain of ingots from ore. Mixing dust creates an alloy blend that can then be smelted into alloyed ingots. Constantin has thermoelectric properties and is used in creating the thermoelectric generator, and electrum is an excellent electric conduit used to medium voltage architecture. Okay, so electrum, constant, electrum. Okay. Industrial hemp. I have seen these. Industrial hemp is a remarkable plant. Not only are its seeds useful for the creation of biodiesel, the hemp fibers are also vital in the creation of improved windmills. Okay. Good to know. So, the coke oven. The coke oven is the first important machine you will need to create in order to proceed with immersive engineering. So we should probably start on this, huh? Its functionality is simple. It will heat up coal or blocks of coal without supplying it with oxygen, creating coal coke, a carbon-rich fuel. More importantly, this process creates creosote oil, which is used as a preservative for wood. Interesting. Similarly, you can also burn wooden logs into charcoal with this oven, albeit with a smaller yield of creosote. So, coke oven, we need bricks, sandstone, and clay. So that's all connected. To form coke oven, arrange them in 27. So you need, okay. Anything else? Coke oven, hot topic. Oh, so it's just showing you how to make it. Is it solid all the way up? Yep. Alright. And then you got to hit it with the industrial hammer. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. Let's try to get the coke oven made, and I'll be right back. I'll go get some. I'll go hunt for some stuff. Alrighty, guys. I think I'm back. I am cooking up some bricks. I have some in here. I have. Where are they? Where are they? I have sandstone. If you can't find sandstone, you can just make sandstone by taking 4 sand and creating it that way. I got my clay, and we should have enough to do what we need to do. Let me see what, yeah. Okay, so sandstone goes like that. These go, I believe, like this, right? And these go like that. Or is it like that? Oh boy, I just completely forgot how this went. I just looked at it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my sandstone? Goes like that, and then this goes like that. I need. Hey! Why you no work? Sandstone, brick, clay. I'm going to arrange 27 of these blocks in a 3x3 cube and right click one of the sides. Okay, clay, brick, sandstone. Maybe I put sand by accident. Let's try this again. 16. Okay, yeah, we did. So you need, how many of these now? You need 27. What did I just give myself? 28. So we have enough. Where can we make this? To get nighttime out, let's take a sleepy sleep. A sleepy sleep. And we'll go like this. And like that. Let's cut some of these trees down. This is a pretty big structure, so we'll want it outside, I would say. I'm gonna have to make some more stuff here in a second anyway. Just like that. There we go. Alright, so it's a 3x3, right? believe that's what it's telling me. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's move this like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the middle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One left. And then you take your engineering's hammer, shift click, and then bam, baby. All done. It looks just like the coke oven from Railcraft. Very similar. Nice. Alright, so you're supposed to be able to put coal in there, and I do have 5 coal. I know it's not a whole lot, but it's a good start. So let's just get that in there. And I'm sure it takes a while, like everything else. We'll set that right there. There we go. Got a coke oven, man. We got a coke oven. I'm gonna need some more coal here, so pop those here. Pop that like that. And we got tons of this stuff. I'm sure we're gonna need more of that. Put that like that. And we'll go like that. So let's take a look now that we got that made. Treated wood. Treated wood is quite simply wooden planks covered in creosote oil. It is, however, one of the most important materials you will be using in immersive engineering, so you'd better be prepared to create a lot of it. Interesting. Let's just look at this up. Treated wood, highly durable. Treated wood, treated planks, treated sticks, treated wood makes fence posts, wooden posts. We'll get into that a little bit later. Posts made from treated wood make for an excellent attachment point for your wire connectors. They are 4 blocks high, so you won't be able to place them without the proper clearance. Using the hammer on the sides of the topmost block will attach an arm to the post. You can also place transformers on the pole, which makes it less obtrusive. Placing blocks below the arms of the wooden post will flip the arms upside down. Awesome. Alright. And blast furnace, we'll probably get into this next time. The blast furnace is used to increase the carbon contents in iron, turning it into steel. So the blast furnace is how we make steel. To achieve this, only pure high carbon fuels may be used for the furnace, specifically coal coke and charcoal. Or charcoal, really. The steel created in the blast furnace is an integral part of a high voltage architecture. So you need nether brick. Oh boy, so we're gonna have to make a nether portal here. Brick and a blaze powder. I don't think there's any other way to make nether brick besides sometimes with the engineering's hammer. See the following page for a diagram. So it's made the same exact way. So yeah, we'll get into a lot of that later. So there we go. So our first coal coke. Awesome. And we got 500 creosote oil. So there you go, guys. The second episode is done. We got our book made and we got our coke oven done. So as always, guys, hope you enjoyed the series. This is Malkuth 1974. Talk to you later. Malkuth out of here.